And I am back from another hiatus that I've taken, but it's okay. Things have just been a little bit crazy. But anyway, my name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I appreciate you for returning to watch my videos. As I look around my home, I always am thankful that I'm able to create my style in my home on a budget. But in my last video, I talked about how the thrift stores are going a little insane. And these are some prices that I'm just finding again online because I just kind of pulled back from going to thrift stores. And these prices are just so crazy. So, and these are on their sites and you could see the prices. So these are things that I just know that I can get, I used to could get cheaper. Or at an estate sale, I mean, really, a tea kettle for $14.99 that's used. Those are usually $3, $4 at best. And these little reefs or whatever, they're usually like $4. But $15, I just don't see it. And whatever this necklace thing piece is or whatever, $24.99, insane. But the marketplace has been better because I do see some other reasonable prices out there, and I'm just kind of just looking just to be looking and nothing in particular. But I did venture into an estate sale that my sister was doing, and I'm glad I did because I did found some pieces that I really liked, like this mask here. I saw that on the site and I bought that, and it was something that I wanted for the hallway. I didn't have a place for it yet when I was thinking about it until I got it and found out a place, and that was a good addition to that area. Now let's just go ahead and show you all the other goodies I bought and where I styled them. There was a small statue with a African girl and her calf. I thought that was a nice piece, and I got that piece and styled it on the mantle next to my other African head bust. It made a nice addition on the mantle next to that, and it just added a little something extra special there. And not to mention, it's something about the way she was standing and the pose with the calf. It just seemed kind of like strength to me, but I liked it. Now, moving into the dining room, I found another bust that I liked, and I got that piece and thought, why not add it to the bar cart, because it could add a little let's say je ne sais quoi to it. Now, is it really bar station quality type thing? But why not? Because it's all in how you create your style for it, and it sits so elegantly on there. And this piece it's not something that I would normally get, but it spoke to me, I guess, me going through the breast cancer and the little breast out or whatever. I don't know. It was something that gravitated, caught my eye, and I just picked it up. The thing is, we like what we like, and sometimes there's no rhyme or reason behind it. And the other piece that I liked was there was a pair of these Lenox Egyptian statues. Since it was two identical ones, I got one and my sister got the other. So now we have the same thing in our house. And we tend to do that when we see pairs and we like them. We get kind of happy that there's one for each of us. And you may have seen this in my previous video, but I wanted to share it again to show you where I got it from. So creating your style is always in steps. You never know what you'll find and where you'll find it. I'm really gravitating towards estate sales now, so I think I'm going to go hit some of those when I feel a desire of going thrifting. So thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you appreciate this video. And remember, beauty is being home and loving it. If you like this video, don't forget to drop me a comment, like, and share, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.